Let's go. Hey. Where she at? Where she at? Where she at? Ha. You. There you go. Ah. Yeah. Well, she the type of girl drive the whole hood crazy. Little Red Riding Hood riding M80s. The type of girl that'll probably be famous. Hollywood superstar magazine pages. Apparently she had a thing for it. Unfortunately, the wasn't me. Nowadays she's the life of the party. Glamorous and glossy, taking photos in the VIP. Now I'm like, damn, wow. Look at you now. You got the whole world chasing you down.